Welcome to this 20th video of Quadratic Equations. We are solving word problems from practice set 2.6. Till now, we have solved first 6 questions in the previous video. Now let's solve the next questions, which are HOTS type questions. Now, what is the question from this question number 7? Let's read. Pratik takes 8 hours to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. So what is the situation? What is happening? What is the given situation? So there is a boy, Pratik. He takes 8 hours time. It has a time to travel 36 km downstream and return to the same spot. Let's try to figure out what he is doing. Say this is the spot where he has started, say A spot, and he is traveling something downstream. He is going something like this and coming to this spot. Okay, so now he is traveling. How much is, what is the distance he is traveling? So the distance he is traveling 36 kilometers, and it is downstream and coming back to the same spot. So it means upstream also he is traveling same distance, and while going and coming back to the same spot, total time he is taking 8 hours. Okay, so the distance is same 36, but say time 1 for going down, and that can be, say, suppose we take it x, and time to come back if we take t2, suppose the distance is here same 36 kilometer, time 2 is say y. Okay, so total distance, say it is 8 hours. What is the speed of the boat? It is in the still water. It is at 12 km per hour. Means if the water is not flowing, if it is still, okay, then that speed is, your speed is 12 kilometers per hour. This is the speed of still water. See, here he is traveling, say, in a river where it is flowing in certain direction. While going towards the direction of current, we can say it is downstream, and coming back it is upstream. But here, suppose this is a lake where the water is not having current, it is still water. Here the speed is, say, 12 km, and we have to find the speed of the current. So we have to find the speed of the current. So actually this should not be x and y. The speed of the current should be x. So if we take speed of current, we have to take it to be x, which we have to find. Okay, so x kilometer per hour. So what will be the speed when it is traveling downstream? The speed will be what? It will more, as it will add to the speed of the boat in the still water, and speed of the current. So here, as it is more, so it is going to be, this should not be x, y, t1 we don't know, t2 we don't know what it is. We will see what to do of it. Then here the speed will be what? Normal speed is what? 12. Plus we have to add the speed of the current while going downstream. So this speed is going to be like this. And here speed, what will be the speed here while going upstream? Normal speed is 12, but as you are going up in opposite direction, in upstream direction, your speed will be reduced by the speed of the current. So this will be 12 minus x. While going, it will resist, so it will become less. So my dear students, you have to add the speed of current to the speed of boat in the still water while going downstream, and you have to subtract this while going upstream. Okay. So now, if this is the speed, this is what will be time. Time, we know that time is what? What is t1? That is speed, distance divided by speed. So time 1 is going to be, distance is say 36, and speed 1, it is 12 plus x. Okay. And what is t2? T2 is going to be distance upon speed 2. As I have not taken d1, d2 because, or if you take also, the d1, d2 is safe because Mr. Pratik is traveling same distance. Both way it is going 36 km. Downstream as well as upstream. So here also 36 divided by 12 minus x. And now the sum of this is, this plus this, t1 plus t2 is going to be total hours 8 hours. Okay, this time is r, this is also in r's. So when we have variable in the denominator, okay, and then when we take it up, this is not actually, when we take it up, I will multiply, if we have to, we will get something x squared, we know that, and that's why this cannot be solved by, and we can see there is no need of another equation or another variable also. So we have to take only, we have to find only this one thing, which we will take it as x. So in short, we have to add this to get it 8. We can get this equation over here. So we have roughly chalked out what we have to do, how we have to go. Once we have chalked out, let's write the main answer. Okay, so I'm rubbing it for getting neat space. You need not to rub this. You can do this somewhere else and you can now write the answer. Okay, we will see that let the speed of the water current, the speed of the water current is equal to, or B, it is x kilometer per hour. Okay, now therefore speed of instead of saying the speed while traveling downstream, that's going to be speed in the still water, that is 12 plus x kilometer per hour. Correct? We can say this can be say S1 as we have thought, S1, S2, T1, T2, and speed while traveling upstream, that S2 is equal to 12 minus x kilometer per hour. Okay. Now as distance traveled in both cases, now distance traveled in both cases, that is upstream and downstream, that is D1 and is equal to D2, it is 36 kilometers. And we know that, and it's given that, and T1 plus T2 is equal to 8 hours. This is given. Now what we know, what is T? T1 is what? This time is equal to distance upon speed. And for T2 it is D2 upon speed is equal to 8. We can write the formula. Time is equal to distance upon speed. Now substitute this. What is distance over here? So it is 36 distance. Speed is S1 is 12 plus x plus 36 upon S2 is 12 minus x is equal to 8. Okay. Now here we have not got very simple quadratic equation. Actually we have not yet got quadratic also. So how to simplify, I would like to explain you. For that, let me rub this part. Okay, so I am copying this part here. Therefore what we have got, 36 upon 12 plus x and plus 36 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8. Okay, I'll give you now easy way or smart tip how to solve this. Okay, first take 36 common from this. So what will be common here? 36. In bracket it will remain 1 upon 12 plus x plus 1 upon 12 minus x is equal to 8. Okay. So let's take 36 on this side. We will divide. So it will become, or you can divide here like that also by 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 how many is are? 4 9s are 36. You can do like this also. And here it will be 9. Then what is the denominator here? Denominators are not same. We have to make it same. So we have to take the product of that. So 12 plus x in other bracket 12 minus x. and here 1 into 12 minus x will become 12 minus x, and plus 1 into this as it is 12 plus x is equal to 2. Now therefore this 9 times here minus x plus x, it's cancelled. 12 plus 12 will give 24. And what is the brackets in the denominator? It's in the form of a plus b and a minus b. So we can use the identity a plus b into a minus b as a square minus b square. Here that is 12 square, that is 144 minus b square, that is x square, and is equal to 2. Okay. So now how to simplify this? We have to make it set this into 2. Can we give reduced form over here? Yes, we can give this 9 into this. We can divide this 2 ones. We are dividing by 2 on both sides. Here it will become 2 ones and 2 twos. Here we cannot divide because here by something addition and subtraction we can't do. But here we can do. So 9 into 12 upon 144 minus x square is equal to 1. Okay, 2 upon 1 or 1 upon 1 it is become. So take this on this side. 12 9s are 108. You can multiply as per your convenience. And here it is 144 minus x square into 1 is going to be the same. Now as the x square term is negative, bring it here to make it positive. So here it will become x square plus, now there is no x term, we can see there is no x term, fine. So here it is minus 144 plus 108 is equal to 0. It doesn't matter if there is no x square term. Therefore x square. Now the signs are different, so you have to do subtraction. Bigger is 144. We have to take it first, and from that you have to subtract 108. So 14 minus 8 is going to be 6. Here it will become 3. 3 minus 0 is 3. 36. And sign of bigger number, that's minus 36 is equal to 0. Now how to solve and get the value of x? It's very simple. If x square minus 36 is equal to 0, you can make it easier way, that therefore x square is equal to 36, and therefore x is equal to taking square root plus or minus 6. So we have got these two values, x is equal to either plus 6 or minus 6. But as x is the current, speed of the current, it cannot be minus. Now x cannot be minus 6 as x is the speed, okay, speed of current, and therefore x is equal to 6. So what is the answers? Therefore your answer is speed of water current is 6 kilometer per hour. Do not forget to write the unit wherever it is required. So in this way we have solved question number 7. So we will see the next 8 sum in the next video.